order flow on the S&P? Was there anybody that was thinking that the order flow was bullish ahead of the S&P cash open there? Anybody that thought we were going to get this brilliant buy-side break against the cash open, yes or no? Well, it'd be madness to think that, wouldn't it? Look at the shape of the limit order book. Which direction is the limit order book going in? The limit order book is almost straight, angled straight south. Into these retested voltics, you can see that the retested voltics into the top line, and all I've done is draw two lines against the last two big voltics. And you can see that we get ice orders coming in here, we get another voltic coming in here, we get a voltic coming in here, and the price collapses into the cash open. That is very easy to do. So when we see that change taking place, it becomes very easy to recognize what the deal should be. Now, whether we agree with it in terms of value or not, we're obviously trying to add that to the global picture that we've got developing on the market at that stage, and that's why we add in things like a value line to see exactly what is showing us. If we add a value line into that trade, do we get the same story? Do we get the same narrative coming out the other side? If we do, guess what? The trade happens. We take the deal, we get ready to execute, and obviously that's exactly how the S&P has ultimately collapsed down in price through that phase, by just simply recognizing that that's what they were doing on the book. If it doesn't tie in, we walk away. We just walk away, we wait for another opportunity to take advantage, and then we look for somewhere else to deal. So there's a lot of ways of getting an edge. We've got to make sure that when we do trade, whether we trade because of book edges, or whether we trade because of delta edges, or whether we trade because of simply a scalp leans, or whether we trade because of our squares, we have to have an edge. And preferably, the more edges we get, the better the opportunity is for a high probability profit.